Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company, and welcome back to my daily vlog. We are loaded up and we're heading out today, hoping to see some good views and possibly some good junk, because you know there's always antique shops and thrift stores around when you're traveling. So today we are open to stopping at any, but ultimately the destination today is Niagara Falls. Anna,
yeah,
have you been to Niagara Falls before?
I haven't.
Are you excited?
I am. I've been wanting to go there.
Yeah?
But I haven't been, and yeah, it's only 2 hours away, so
I know, isn't that crazy?
What
Yeah,
Anna
I've been
doesn't
having a
get,
great
we're gonna
time.
dump her.
You're gonna leave Anna there, leave my sister there.
We're gonna
Well,
go
you come
across.
home
We're gonna walk
style.
across the bridge.
Yeah, you got your passport, right?
I do. If things go south, that's why I brought it.
So you're just gonna let her walk across to Canada, Matt?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna tell the border guards that she's wanted.
So stay tuned. It's gonna be a good vlog today. We'll see what we get into. So we are about how many hours from the house? Maybe like 2 and a bit hours from the house. And we are now in Niagara Falls on the American side. We all have our passports today. So I think we're gonna walk across. Have you guys ever done that before? And if you remember on the vlog, I took you guys with me here when Matt did a spontaneous getaway for us. We came here in the winter and I think it was Valentine's Day weekend here in February. And let me just tell you, it's not as cold. I can't wait to see the falls in summertime. How's your ice cream?
Oh, delicious.
What'd you find? What kind is it?
Oh, they ran out of a lot of stuff, so it's just chocolate.
Chocolate? That's classic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Very nice. Wonderful.
Sonia's making me walk home. I can't believe it. Well, it turns out that there is no thrifting for us today, just looking. Let me tell you, there was lots to look at along the way. Wasn't the views of Niagara Falls absolutely beautiful for the first time today? We all walked together over to the Canadian side, and I did not expect all that you just saw. We had a great time. We spent more time there than even planned because there was so much to look at. While I was on the Canadian side, I found out that there are a bunch of thrift shops all located within an hour of that side that looked really, really good. So I made a plan with Matt to come back, and I'm gonna do some thrifting over on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls very, very soon on this vlog. In the meantime, we headed over to Goodwill in Niagara on the US side, and as you can see, they actually were closed for the day. Probably because it's a holiday weekend and today is Memorial Day. All in all, it was a great day to be out making some good memories and just sightseeing and being on the road. And that's what it's all about. That's what's so fun when you're out junking and you're thrifting. You can go see stuff along the way and just see where it brings you, right? You always see great stuff, so you never come back empty-handed. But today, there's no junk in the trunk, so to speak. But tomorrow on the vlog, I'll bring you guys up to speed and show you what I've found while I've been junking for the last 2 days. So tune in tomorrow and I will pull out all the goodies that I found and we can clean them together and get ready to decorate them in my house. It's gonna be good. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, following along here in my journey. I hope you will give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Are you ready to put Niagara Falls on your bucket list? So many things to do and see there, and yes, you can even junk there too. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow.